Hi guys, today I'm back with this 4-piece coaster mold I purchased off Shein. So I thought over the next few weeks I will try these two designs because there's two of each. And as you can see, it's got a holographic pattern to it as well. So I might try the circle one today. So I'm going to mix up some epoxy resin. And I'm going to add a glitter, a hot pink glitter from the Glitzy Chicks called Alba. And I will fill it out. I fill this up and we'll see what it turns out like. Okay, well that was fairly simple. I will let it sit for a few minutes. I will pop any air bubbles with my little heat gun and I will let that cure for a few days and I'll be back for the unmolding. Okay, time to unmold. Wow. I love the holographic pattern on this, it's beautiful. Well, definitely give this mold a go, guys. It's really nice. It was a little bit more on the pricier side from Shein, but it's still quite affordable. Well, thanks for watching, guys, and please come back next week for some more resin mold testing. Bye, guys.